everyone, imagine you're building a dream team for a high-stakes project. You wouldn't just pick people randomly, you'd look for specific skills and qualifications that match the needs of the project. The same principle applies when hiring for any role. Identifying the key qualifications and skills is essential to ensure you find the right fit for the job. Today, we'll explore how to determine these critical elements effectively. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of identifying key qualifications and skills for a job role. Learn how to distinguish between essential and desirable qualifications. Gain insights into effective methods for evaluating candidate skills. Identifying key qualifications and skills is important for several reasons. It helps in creating a clear and concise job circular and ensuring that new hires are capable of performing their duties effectively. A company was hiring for a software developer role. They were able to attract qualified candidates and make a successful hire quickly by specifying required skills such as proficiency in Java and experience with agile methodologies. There are the minimum requirements that a candidate must meet to be considered for the job. They include necessary education and fundamental skills. For a registered nurse position, essential qualifications might include a nursing degree, a valid nursing license, and a basic life support certification. These are additional qualifications that would be beneficial but are not mandatory. They can give candidates an edge but are not deal breakers if missing. For the same nursing position, desirable qualifications might include experience in specific medical specialty or proficiency in a second language. Carefully review resumes and applications to identify candidates who meet the essential qualifications. Look for keywords and relevant experience that match the job description. Implement skill assessment to evaluate candidates' abilities objectively. These can include technical tests, writing samples, or practical tasks relevant to the job. For a graphic designer position, a skill assessment might involve a design challenge where candidates create a marketing poster based on specific guidelines. Use structured interviews to learn about candidates' qualifications and skills. Ask targeted questions that require candidates to demonstrate their expertise and problem-solving abilities. In an interview for a sales manager role, ask candidates to describe a successful sales strategy they developed and implemented. Create a skill assessment for a hypothetical position, detailing the tasks or tests you would use to evaluate candidates. Identifying the right qualifications and skills is a critical step in the hiring process. You can attract and select candidates by focusing on what truly matters for the role, and consequently excel and contribute to the organization's success.